Hi friends, today we are going to start a new module on code.org and the new module is called Dance Party. First of all, we are going to open the link of code.org. If you don't have an account yet, so you can create your account, but I have my account, so I will go to new project. In new project, today we will work our first day on Dance Party. It's a different lab in which we make our sprites dance and have all the fun they can have. So this is the stage where our sprites, our characters will come to life and they will do all the functions that all the orders we give them over here. This is the block of setup. It's a default block that we cannot remove. It comes itself. The main blocks, like the ones that we use to set up the stage, will come in this setup. So first let's go to world and set background effect. Let's see what black and white is. Okay, well I don't like this one, so what if we try ice cream? That's the moving one in which our background colors will switch. So what about neon? Looks good. Well, let's check one of these. Let's try flowers. Okay. It looks great, but I think we should also add a little bit of characters to our code because without characters, what fun is our code? So let's check this out. Make a new alien, bear, cat, dog, duck, frog, mouse, pineapple, shark, sloth, and unicorn. Let's see what a unicorn looks like. Well, I don't think the unicorn looks good, so I will try the cat. But at top it doesn't look good, so let us add some, put the cat in the center of our screen. It would be way more fun if we add a little more characters to our code, so let's add some more dancers. Hmm. Let's see what dancers we want to add. What if we add some pineapples? Well, we could use some more pineapples, right? What if we put 10? Yes, that looks good. Guys, we can even choose any song over here. We have a lot of songs over here, so I will keep the default song by Shawn Mendes. Now, let's give our sprites the moving they need, because when we can run some that's not, it doesn't look that good. It doesn't look like the characters are dancing much. They're just moving their body a little. So let's give them proper moves. We will find when we will use this block, add measures, but let's do one first. Let's go to dancers. Yes, over here we can choose this block because this block will make everyone do the same move, and until we give it a different order. Let's see how it looks. It's only doing one move. Let's add some more so that our project can look more beautiful and interactive. So you can add any measures you want, but I will add as the order of the numbers. Okay, so now we have
I can write one song that's not about you.
just moved to our code. Okay, let's add this one. Let's see how our code comes out to be.
I can write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about.
It looks good. Thanks for coding with us. Bye, see you soon.